Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Today we are joined in a collaboration that is titled Living the Outdoor Life. And this is an open collaboration hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, which is myself, Joyful Decor by Denise, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and Angie Fortson. If you would like to join in this open collaboration and create a video, please hashtag Living Outdoors 24. That way we will see your video and add you to the ongoing playlist. So what I have decided to do with this 3-part collaboration, because there will be 3 parts to it. So each month, June, July, and August, we will be bringing you Living the Outdoor Life video. So again, it is a 3-part series. So today I am bringing to you my patio. What we're doing is we are cleaning the floors, making sure they're nice, clean, and dry, because what we want to do is we want to add some indoor, outdoor, weatherproof carpet on the floors. So hubby is out there cleaning it really good with some done, and it needed it, you guys. The floor was so dirty. You just be surprised how the floors get over time, because we just had basically an area rug out there. And also too, you can see that the patio is closed in, and we wanted it closed in because we wanted to keep all the bugs and mosquitoes and flies out, because our home on the back where the patio is, we have like that California style glass open door. So we like to keep it open, and if we keep it open and we didn't have the patio screened in, then all of the bugs, the flies, the birds, what have you for outdoor will come on the inside, and we didn't want that. So we decided, since it is a screened in patio, we wanted it to be nice and comfy as well too. So that's why we decided to add the indoor outdoor weatherproof carpet here. We actually purchased the carpet from the Home Depot. We did go inside the store, but they did not carry it inside the store, but we were able to order it online, and it delivered directly to our home. So right now, as you can see, we're making sure that the entire outdoor patio area is completely clean of any type of debris, any type of, spider webs or anything like that that could accumulate over time. So thank you all so much for tuning in. We welcome each and every one of you. Also, thank you so much, the Grace DIY Home Decor, for inviting me on this collaboration. And like I said in the beginning, the first part of our outdoor patio is going to be for us cleaning these floors, cleaning the entire patio, and laying the indoor outdoor weatherproof carpet. Now, of course, we have hired someone to come in to do the carpet for us, but the cleaning part we're doing ourselves. Also, welcome all of our new love bugs here on the channel, you guys. We have reached 6K. Thank you all so much. We are doing really good with the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, because I always say we cannot do this without you all. You all are a great part of At Home with Lisa. So please don't hesitate to give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave us some comments down below. And all of the hosts that I mentioned, I will have them down in the description box. And if you can please be so kind as to go over and check out their videos too, see what ideas they're giving you as far as the outdoor living. just like that, the floors, you guys, they are nice and clean. Can y'all see that? Mr. Smith, he did that with those floors. He cleaned the floors, the walls, and everything. He made sure that the screens didn't have anything on them either. Y'all, it looks so nice and clean. We are creating a fresh start with the outdoor patio. I cannot wait to see how it's going to look once the outdoor weatherproof rug is going to look. And by the way, it is black. I did choose black. I just like the black and white look. I just love it. And I thought since the ceiling of the patio was black, and then we have the trimming of the black, and then we have the wall as it being white, I felt like doing the black carpet would make more sense. Now I could have done gray as well too, but I wanted to go with the black, and I think the black was a perfect fit. But once it gets down and you guys see it, I think you all will be in agreeing with me that choosing the black flooring was the better route to go. So now that the floors and the walls are all clean, we just have to wait until everything dries, and the our guy that we hired to do the flooring, he's gonna come in on tomorrow, and he's gonna start doing the flooring. So it will be dry, completely dry, by the time he starts working on the floor. Thank you all so much for being here. I truly appreciate you all. We are so grateful for Mr. Bobby. Y'all, because TK and I, we could not have done this. As you can see, Mr. Bobby, he's on his knees. He has his knee pads on there. Mr. Smith and I, we wouldn't have lasted trying to lay this carpet. It's very time consuming and it's tedious, and we just rather pay someone, who does this type of work to be able to complete this for us. So yes, you guys, let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. You guys, it looks absolutely beautiful. I just can't imagine any other color being on the floor. It looks so nice in the space. It complements the wall. It complements the screen in. It complements the glass doors. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and it's very soft and comfy, and I want to create a cozy space that we can come into at any time once we get ready. So again, thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like what we have created here. And in July, the last Saturday in July, I will be bringing you the second part of this outdoor living. I will be bringing you the second part, and it will be where I will be bringing some pieces in to be able to make this space very cozy and warm and comfy for us to be able to enjoy for the summer. Again, thank you all so much. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave us comments down below. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.